Hello students, I came here with an important video which is useful to solve inequalities. If you observe these inequalities, here we have 6 inequalities. In this, they will ask the question like solve the inequalities. Solve means we have to find out x values, such values of x satisfying given inequality. So to solve these type of questions, we have one important method is there which is called wavy curve method. With the help of the wavy curve method, we can solve these type of inequalities. I will explain wavy curve method with the help of one example. Let us start wavy curve method. See this example. Solve minus x square plus 5x greater than 6. Here, in this wavy curve method, total we have 7 steps. Using these 7 steps, we can solve the question. First, step 1. Make leading coefficient is positive. Here, coefficient of x square, observe this, minus. That means minus 1 is there. First of all, by multiplying with minus, this will be positive. So this is called step 1. Multiplying with minus on both sides. Now, when you multiplying with minus, minus x square will be plus x square, minus 5x. Now greater than becomes less than, this plus 6 becomes minus 6. Now, step 2. In this step, make RHS first, convert RHS as 0, and after that factorize LHS. From step 1, we got x square minus 5x less than minus 6. Now write minus 6 in LHS side. See, minus 6 becomes plus 6. Now factorize. 6 factors are here, minus 3x, minus 2x. So plus 6 is there. So what are the factors here? Minus 3x, minus 2x becomes minus 5x. Now next step, x square minus 3x, x has common, so remaining x minus 3 here. Minus 2 plus 6, so minus 2 common, again x minus 3 less than 0. See, observe this, x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. Now factorization completed. In step 2, we have to do RHS as 0. See, this is 0. And LHS part we have to factorize. Next, let us move to step 3. Find critical points. How to find critical points? From step 2, our question is x minus 2 into x minus 3 is less than 0. Here, equate first bracket x minus 2 equal to 0, and after that equate x minus 3 0. That implies we'll get x equals to 2, and next x equals to 3. These are called critical points. By solving x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, we are getting x equals to 2, x equals to 3. These are called critical points. Next, in step 4, draw real number line and mark the critical points on the number line. This is given question, x minus 2 into x minus 3 is less than 0. These are critical points first. Critical points are x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. And after that, we have to draw the numerical line. On this line, we have to mark the critical points. Those are x equal to 2 comma x equal to 3. So these are the critical points. Here I am taking first point 2, second point 3. I am taking like holes here because here there is no equality less than 0 given. That's why 2 comma 3 are excluded. That's why I am taking like open circles. When equality given, you have to take dot. So remember this point. These are the representation of critical points on the number line. Next, in step 5, put the plus sign on the right largest critical point. Here 2 comma 3 are the critical points. In this, largest critical point is 3. So the right side you have to mark with positive sign plus. See, observe this. This is a plus here. Right hand side of 3 you have to write plus. And next, go to step 6. Observe this, step number 6. Complete marking of the signs on the number line using powers of the factors. Here observe this, these are the factors x minus 2 and x minus 3 less than 0. In step 5, you have written here plus. After that, see what are the powers of these factors. X minus 3 power is 1, that is odd. Here also x minus 2 power is 1, it is odd. When the powers are odd, signs will change. Here at 3, sign will change. Next sign will get minus. So next minus. Why? X minus 3 power, if it is odd, plus becomes minus. Plus 2 minus. Next, x minus 2 factor, observe this. The factor of x minus 2 is 1. Here 1 is odd. Therefore, minus also changes sign. So minus to plus. So marking the signs are completed. Plus, minus, plus. Depends on powers of the factors. If the power of the factor is even, there is no change in the sign. That is, we will explain with another example how to mark the sign when the power of the factor is even. Okay. So for this example, marking the signs completed. Plus, minus, plus. Next, let us move to step 7. In this step, identify the required region and write the solution set using the intervals. Here given question is x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. Here less than 0 means negative part required. X value is required which satisfies this inequality means here less than 0 means where is negative here, observe this. Negative is lies between 2 and 3. This is the solution set. Here we are going to draw the curve. This is the curve here we are drawing like this. So this curve is like wave, that's why this method is known as wavy curve method. Actually this is quadratic expression, that's why graph is in parabola, upward direction. Here this is the graph. Here where is negative here? Negative lie in the in between 2 comma 3. This is the required region. If it is x-axis, below x-axis, curve is in below x-axis means that is negative part. Above x-axis represent positive part. Therefore, here what is the required region? X belongs to open interval 2 comma 3. This is the solution set. Let us start question number 1. Solve x plus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Here, first we have to observe step 1, leading coefficient. X into x, x square. Leading coefficient is 1, positive. Step 1 completed. In step 2, you have to observe that RHS 0 is there, and left hand side part already factors are given. So step 2 also completed. In step 3, you have to find out critical points. So equate each bracket is 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. That implies x equals to minus 1 and x minus 2 equals to 0. That implies x equals to 2. These two are called critical points. Now mark these two critical points on numerical line. Numerical line. So minus 1, 2 I am writing here. Take open circles because here only greater than 0 means minus 1 and 2 are not included. So this is minus 1. Next this is 2. Now mark positive sign on RHS of largest critical point. So largest critical point is 2. Right hand side you should mark with plus. And after that, now observe this factor x minus 2. Power of x minus 2 is 1. So 1 is odd. That's why sign will change positive to negative. Now once again observe the power of x plus 1. X plus 1 power is again 1. 1 is odd. That's why here again sign changes minus to plus. Now draw the graph now. This is graph of the curve. Where is positive sign here? Because they are asking here x plus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. You should find x values. Greater than 0 means positive. Where is positive here? The graph is above x-axis. If you treat as this is x-axis, if the graph is above x-axis, positive. So above x-axis lies in minus infinity to minus 1. This is the required region, and also here also 2 to infinity also graph is above x-axis. Therefore 2 to infinity. Therefore finally the solution set is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 2 to plus infinity. This is called solution set. So here minus 1 2 not included, that's why I am taking open interval. Now problem number 2. Solve 2x minus 3 into x minus 5 less than or equal to 0. First observe the step 1 leading coefficient 2x into x 2x square. 2 is leading coefficient positive. Step 1 completed. In step 2 you have to observe RHS. RHS is 0 already. And LHS part, observe that LHS part factors are given directly. So therefore second step also completed. Now in step 3 find out critical points. Equate each bracket is 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0. 2x equals to 3. X equals to 3 by 2. And x equals to 5. These are critical points. Now in step 4, mark these critical points on numerical line. This is numerical line. Now here equality given 3 by 2, 5. Both are included, that's why I am taking dot. Mark the sign. Put positive sign on RHS of largest critical point. Here largest critical point is 5, that's why here plus. Now observe the bracket x minus 5 factor. Power of x minus 5 is 1. 1 is odd, that's why positive to sign changes, positive to negative. And now observe another bracket 2x minus 3, which power also 1. 1 is odd, that's why sign changes minus to plus. Now we are going to draw the graph. So this is the graph. Here observe that less than or equal to 0 given means negative part required. Where is negative? Graph is below x-axis in between 3 by 2 to 5. This is the negative part. So therefore the required region is x belongs to 3 by 2 to 5. But here closed interval, because here also equality given. That's why closed interval. This is the required region or solution set of the given problem. Let us start problem number 4. Solve x minus 1 into x minus 2 into 1 minus 2x greater than or equal to 0. See, first observe that a leading coefficient, step 1, x into x, x square into minus 2x, that is minus 2x cube. Here leading coefficient is minus 2 negative. First make it positive. By multiplying this bracket with minus, this will becomes positive. See, multiplying this bracket with minus, therefore the question will x minus 1 into x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 becomes less than or equal to 0, because we are multiplying with minus. Multiplying both sides with minus. So now leading coefficient is positive. Step 1 completed. After that observe step 2. In RHS already 0 and left hand side factors are given directly. That's why step 2 also completed. Now in step 3 we should find critical points. How to find critical points? Equating each bracket is 0. X minus 1 equal 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X equals to 1. X equals to 2. 2x equals to 1. X equals to 1 by 2. So we got critical points now. In step 4, draw numerical line and mark these critical points on the numerical line in increasing order. Equality given, that's why I am taking dots, because the critical points also included in our solution set. So this is, first one is 1 by 2, 1 and 2. Next, what is largest critical point? 2. So RHS of 2 we should start with positive sign and observe the bracket here x minus 2. What is the power of x minus 2? 1. 1 is odd, that's why sign changes positive to negative. Again observe the bracket x minus 1, which power is also 1. 1 is odd, that's why minus changes to plus. Again another bracket 1 minus 2x, whose power is 1. So therefore 1 is odd, that's why plus changes to minus. Now we are going to draw the graph. So therefore the graph is in this mode, positive to negative and negative to again positive, once positive again positive to negative. Okay. Now here question is here less than or equal to, this is the required region. Less than or equal to means negative sign. where is the graph is below x-axis. If you treat as it is x-axis, where is below x-axis? The graph is below x-axis in this part, and here this part also in below x-axis. This is the required region. Below x-axis here, this is below x-axis, this also below x-axis. This part is required. That means x values are required minus infinity to 1 by 2 and 1 to 2. Therefore, the required region is x belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 equality given, that's why included. So closed bracket, union, again now 1 to 2 required. So 1 to 2, here also 1 and 2 also included, closed bracket, because equality given. This is the solution set of the given inequality. Let us start question number 5. Solve x minus 2 by x plus 2 greater than or equals to 2x minus 3 by 4x minus 1. First you have to simplify this. X minus 2 by x plus 2 minus 2x minus 3 by 4x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now here left hand side LCM is x plus 2 into 4x minus 1. Now this becomes x minus 2 into 4x minus 1 minus 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Now simplify numerator, multiplying these two brackets, and here also that will be, after multiplying these two brackets we will get 4x square minus x minus 8x plus 2 minus of, multiply these two brackets now, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 2 into 4x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now finally numerator is, after simplification we will get x square minus 5x plus 4 by x plus 2 into 4x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now factorize numerator. The factors are x minus 1 into x minus 4 by x plus 2 into 4x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. So RHS already 0. Left hand side parts also having factors. Now what about leading coefficient? Numerator x into x square. Leading coefficient is 1 positive. Denominator also x into 4x square, 4 is positive. So positive by positive, positive. Therefore leading coefficient is positive. Step 1 completed, step 2 completed. Now find out critical points. This is the question here, x minus 1 into x minus 4 by x plus 2 into 4x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now find critical points, means equate each bracket is 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. That implies x equals to 1, x equals to 4, here x equals to minus 2, and 4x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 4. Now mark these all these critical points on numerical line. Draw numerical line. Increasing order we have to write. First critical point is minus 2, but it is excluded because it is in denominator. That's why you should take open circle. And next x equals to 1 by 4. This also excluded because if you take equal to 0, denominator will be 0. Something by 0 will be undefined. That's why both minus 2 and 1 by 4 are excluded. And remaining x equal to 1, x equal to 4 are included because these are in numerator and equality given also. That's why 1 and 4 are included. Now after that, signs. What is greatest leading coefficient? 4. So RHS of 4 we have to start with positive sign plus. And Observe the factor x minus 4. X minus 4 power is 1, 1 is odd. That's why sign changes positive to negative. And the factor x minus 1, observe that x minus 1 power is also 1, 1 is odd. That's why sign again changes minus to plus. At 1 by 4, also 4x minus 1 power is 1, 1 is odd. That's why once again positive to negative. Sign changes positive to negative. And at minus 2 also x plus 2 power is 1, 1 is odd. That's why sign changes again minus to positive. Now graph we are drawing positive to negative, again negative to positive, positive to negative, and negative to positive. Now here greater than or equal to 0 required solution. We have to identify the required region. Greater than or equal to 0. Where is greater than or equal to 0 means positive. Positive means the graph is above x-axis. Where is it? Above x-axis? Graph is above x-axis here and here also there and this part. That means for those values of x are minus infinity to minus 2 and 1 by 4 to 1 and after that 4 to plus infinity. Therefore x belongs to the required region is minus infinity to minus 2 here, minus 2 is excluded. So open interval union 1 by 4 to 1. Here also 1 by 4 is excluded, that's why open interval, but 1 is included, closed union again 4 to infinity plus infinity. So 4 is included, that's why closed bracket, this is open. This is the required region or solution set of the given problem. Now question number 6. Solve x into x plus 2 whole square into x minus 1 whole power 5 into 2x minus 3 into x minus 3 whole power 4 less than or equal to 0. First step 1 leading coefficient x into this is x square into x power 5 into 2x into x power 4. Finally leading coefficient is positive. Step 1 completed. In step 2 RHS already 0 and LHS part already given as factors. That's why step 2 also completed. In step 3 you should find critical points. Means each bracket equate 0, x equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus 3 is also 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. That implies first critical point is x equal to 0, second one x equals to minus 2, this implies x equals to 1, and here 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 2, and next last one is x equals to 3. Now in step 4, write all these critical points on numerical line. So this is you are drawing here numerical line. On these lines we should write critical points in increasing order. So first here minus 2 is there, equality given, that's why all are included and that's why I'm taking dot. So minus 2. Next critical point is 0 and after that 1. Next 3 by 2 is there, 3 by 2. Last critical point is 3. Next step is what is largest critical point? 3. So right hand side of 3 we have to start with positive sign. So this is plus. Now at 3, that means observe the power of x minus 3 is 4. 4 is even, that's why there is no change in the sign while crossing the graph at 3. Therefore again this is plus. No change in the sign. Plus is plus. Next at 3 by 2. 2x minus 3 power is 1. 1 is odd, that's why at 3 by 2 sign changes positive to now negative. Next observe that 1 at 1, that means if you observe that x minus 1, x minus 1 power is 5, 5 is odd number, so that's why at x equal to 1 sign changes, so negative to positive. At x equal to 0 means x power of x is here 1, 1 is odd, that's why again sign changes at x equal 0, positive to negative. Next, at minus 2 means we have to observe that x plus 2 power. So power of x plus 2 is 2, 2 is even, that's why there is no change in the sign. So that's why this is again minus. Now we have to draw the graph. First of all, positive sign. So above x-axis, graph is above x-axis. There is no sign, change in the sign, that's why again plus. So graph is like this, and after at 3 by 2 sign changes, 3 positive to now negative. So therefore at 1 again sign changes to negative to positive again. At 0 again sign changes positive to negative. At minus 2 there is no change in the sign, again negative, that's why you are drawing in this model. Therefore this is the graph. Here less than or equal to 0 given. Where is negative here? Graph is negative means below x-axis. Graph below x-axis where here? This is the negative part, and here also this part is below x-axis negative part, and this part also negative part. So corresponding x values are minus infinity to directly up to 0 negative, and 1 to 3 by 2 also negative. Therefore the required region, answer x belongs to minus infinity to up to 0. Minus infinity to 0 here, 0 included, that's why closed interval. Union again, negative part is in between 1 to 3 by 2. Therefore 1 to 3 by 2 both are included, that's why closed bracket. This is the solution set.